All right, y'all. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Doing the Love. Got your girl Jay in the Tahoe. Pull in real quick. We trying to make sure we got enough room. We got mess in here, Caprice in here. Don't turn the wheel. Turn the wheel this way a little bit. Keep going. Keep coming. Turn to the right a little. Your left a little bit. Come on. Go to the left. Just keep it like that. Hold on. Slow down. You good. The rack ain't gonna touch. Even if it did, it'd be alright. Yeah, we straight. Keep coming. Alright, you good right there. So today we're working on a Tahoe. Hold on a second. Let me show them this engine light popped on.
It's like jittering right now.
Yeah, the engine light popped on. It's like shaky a little bit. And I took it to the shop. You can turn it off. I took it to the shop. And you see how we got an angle in here. And that's so, I was gonna bag it in, but I wouldn't be able to lift it because Grandpa hit that and knocked it off track. But pulled it in so I can see with enough light. So I took it to the shop, ran a code. It's coming up MISFIRE on bank 7, which I'm starting to see a lot of people been having that MISFIRE. So I had to change my oil lifter manifold, which is this bad boy right. Oh, pop the hood for me. Which is this bad boy. I ordered this at the beginning of the week. Can you unwrap this real quick so I can show them? Oh, I thought it was pulled in there like that, but flip it over. This would have looked like under the what's the name? But let me show y'all where it's at. I just moved some stuff around so I can get in, so don't judge me.
That's what we did. If you guys haven't watched, we cleaned the garage out because it was completely full. There's just a couple little things that we still got to get rid of. So.
Hold on, let me go get a light real quick. But basically, I got to take all this off the top, and it's down there. All right, y'all. So the first thing you need to do is take off this battery terminal. Take off the negative, which is under there. And I need a new battery. My battery don't went bad, but everything on this truck hasn't even been touched since 2009. I've been doing my little stuff. It's a 10 millimeter tube. I always put my tools back so I know what it is. But because everybody always talking about the 10 millimeter, always the one that get lost. But I always maintenance my cars and get them up to date if something go wrong. So instead of sending it to the shop, do a little research and look it up and do it myself. But and it's in tight spaces. Don't want to take this bracket off. Look how tight this space is over here. You get your hand in there, you can't do nothing. But let me go and get this off, stop playing. I miss driving the Tahoe. I could drive it, but it's just jittery and shaky. Come on, bro. Jittery and shaky, man. I don't like it. One thing about me, I'm gonna get them cars fixed. So I got this. Put them up there out the way. Now, like I was saying, gotta take all this off. This come off, just pop him up. A little wiggle pool. Just come right on up out that thing. Gotta take this off. Air filter. You like the Tahoe?
Yep. This is one of my favorite vehicles, to be honest. I love the Challenger too, but I like.
Wouldn't even be mad if he was going home.
Nah.
Me either.
I feel like
I gotta keep him.
I've always wanted a Tahoe and a nice one. And this we got it. Did our modifications on it.
Keep up to date on everything.
Yep. I like it. I like the big body.
Little people, big bodies.
And then I like that you're off the ground. Unlike the Challenger, you're low.
We got the plug right here. And there's another thing too. Do a video or a visual to look at everything. Oh, I gotta go to the stove. I don't got no. I need to take this off. The fuel line. The little gray piece right there. So I might have to go to the store real quick and get one of those. Basically, you just push it in to press the clamps down, and then it come loose. But let me go do that real quick, and I'll cut y'all back on. Piece I had to go get. I believe it's a 5/16, which is this one. You basically, let me take it out the picture for you. Oh, it's a demonstration on the back. You put it over the line because you open it up. Put it over it. Y'all see how it look right here? Open it up, put it over it, and you push it into the line. And it's like 3 prongs, like 1 up and 2 to the side. You push that in, and then it release it. Then you push it and pull it out. But probably gonna set y'all up on a time lapse because I don't want to explain step by step whatever I'm doing. But basically all you're doing, unconnecting, you gotta unconnect this, take all this off, just the top half, and you gotta take all this, you know. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna just take everything off and y'all just watch. It's just a lot of clamps. And once I get it all off, I'll come back and show y'all what I mainly need to get to. I forgot the piece for the back of it. Oil pressure
Sensor.
Yeah. It's all good. I forgot the oil pressure sensor. I just replaced this one not too long ago. I had a video on that too, but we'll just take that one off and put it on there. I still got the tool over there, so it is what it is. I'm gonna get busy. All right, y'all, so this is what I was talking about. You gotta open it up like this and push it on there. Let me see if I can do it real quick. A lot of people said to pull it in there.
Does that little snap?
That's just from the rail, so I'm gonna lose a little bit, but it's all good. Done with that. So now, I remember I took all this off last time. Breaking. I think I got it. There we go. It's a little tab. You pull it over and push it out. Pull this tab over and pull it up off of there. Then you can twist this over here so you ain't got to unconnect it. Double check. Then I think I can just undo all these bolts. I don't know if I gotta take fuel rail off. Unconnected. I think I can just leave that on. I'm gonna try to leave it on. If not, I'll just take it off. But I'm still learning as I go too.
It's time, yeah, my nigga, it's time. It's time, yeah, my nigga, it's time. Yeah, my nigga, it's time. Yeah, yeah. In the yo, pulling up, my team, you know they rolling up, investing in the future. Got us since one day we blowing up. Everybody wanna get money, so we ain't even wasting no time. These hoes gotta wait 'cause they smelling that cake, and if they don't get none, they whine. Everybody around me cool.
All right, y'all. So I finally got this thing off this. Hold on, let me tighten these bolts back down that I didn't need to tighten. That I didn't need to untighten on the fuel rail. Alright. You see? So this is the piece that I have to take off. Take this piece off. Something look like it's been living under there. Take this piece off, clean all around here. It don't look that bad. Let me scoot this light up. Just clean it out real good. And that's the piece I was talking about. I'm gonna take off right there. So stay tuned for to do that. Put y'all back on the time lapse and put it back together.
Make them rest in peace. He say that ain't my recipe, and they just want me sexually. I want you intellectually. Can you have that effect on me where every day you next to me, smoking, rolling, toting, having business dinners casually? Not worrying my location, she ain't keeping serious tabs on me as long as I come home.
As y'all can see, same one, same ports. Same amount of screws, everything. Flip it over real quick. Just to double check. Just do a comparison real quick. Yep. Get me in there. This one look like it's a little open. I was watching a video and the dude broke these off so it can flow better. If you look right here, look in the hole. See, it's like it flow better right there. I might just leave mine just in case. I don't know, I might break mine off too. Cause this is just a little gasket so the oil can flow like it was, cause it looked pretty closed off, don't you think? Looking at that. It should flow good still. See what I'm saying? But I'm gonna clean this up. Come over here. Let's see. Oh. I'm gonna just clean up around the seal. Clean up around it real good. Oil look good, healthy. And then I'm gonna put it all back together. So just stay tuned, man. As y'all can see, I finally got that plate on. I tightened it down. Plug my plugs in and I tightened that down too. The oil pressure sensor, because it wasn't even tight on the other one. So tighten that down.
That been the reason it was going off? Like the code coming up? Or
No,
probably
it
not.
was saying bank 7, which is right here. You can't really see it, but this is bank 7 right here. If anything, the coil pack need to be changed. If, you know.
Yeah.
But this was the hardest part to do. So instead of doing easy to hardest, I did the hardest. Now I can go to easiest if need be. But right now I'm finna just start throwing all this back on. I gotta put this hose back on right here. To the back of it. Remember this one? Put this on, throw that back there. Fuel rail, and then I strap it. I mean, click it all back down, but just stay tuned. All right, y'all. Finally got it all back together, but I'm sure we gotta let it prime because we took the fuel line off. So go ahead and turn the key. Don't start it yet, like twice. What's that? Okay. Turn it off and then turn it back on again. Try to start it now. See, we gotta check into the light still.
Nope.
That boy need to be a mechanic. Let me see my oil pressure gauge. Hold on.
It's right over here.
It's right here.
What is this one that's not coming up?
Temperature. That's temperature, voltmeter, gas. Man, I'm good. You need me to work on something, CJ? He be hating on me. You seen me just come out here and do this. I ain't taking mine. And look, I got me a little baller. Yep. Then that what's the name wasting out of there. I'm like, dang. Throttle body. I mean the intake. Yep. Hey, we got it to spin though, don't we? We got it to spin. We just don't want to spin it. We can spin that on something else. And now I feel like I can put a motor in this. I found one for $1,000, 5.3. I'm gonna put a cam in it and I'm gonna throw it in here. Cause I'm tired of smelling that carburetor. I just want to start it, just like this. Huh? It ain't shaking no more? And it ain't warm right now, so the engine look like it, but when she started it, it'll be like. But it was misfiring on bank 7, which was this thing. So now I got that changed out. Tahoe back good again. Yeah. YouTube University, baby. Now I just need to clean it up. I ain't even drove this thing in so long. And I'm about to get new headlights, y'all. My clear coat starting to peel off on that side too. So I'm about to change them out. And I did this. I'm gonna have to paint this again. I was helping somebody. They had their car cut off. They had a Tahoe lifted, and I was pushing them, and it went under their bumper. Scuffed it up a little bit. But I got some paint over there from when I did the back bumper. So stay tuned for that video too. Your boy doing the love with another one. I'm gone.
Hold on now.
He said, "Is it fast?"
Oh shit! Wait!
Hold on, one more car.
Another one at the stop sign.
Yep. The one at the light, one at the stop sign. Somebody just pulled it out. Yee. He finna show you. Hold on. Stop playing with him. You too far. You on the curve. You gotta go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right. That boy, he come pull in straight then. You on the curve. Ah! You on the curve. You too far. You too. Yeah, there you go. Look at everybody mad. They mad. They beeping. They talking about, yo. Look at him. Yes, sir. Kevin, that prove you something?
That prove we can do some donuts.
Alright. Y'all keep tattooing it.
Take the Audi out now. Light the light. I mean, light the light. Yeah, that's hard, Bob. That's hard.
Yes, sir. Stop playing. That must sound good too.